Hi, my name is Ava Gilbert. I am a senior integrative physiology and health science major with a minor in women's and gender studies. My favorite class that I've taken in IPHS was muscle physiology. That was an upper level physiology class that really dove into muscles and how they work. And the best part of that class was there was a really unique lab. We get to do a cell culture lab where you have a plate of muscle cells that you and your lab partner get to take care of. And every week you have to go in and feed them, keep them alive, and then at the end of the semester you get to design your own research project with those muscle cells to investigate whatever you find interesting about them. And that was a super great experience because it gave me both really good lab experience and really good experience collaborating with lab partners and developing my own research project. I started out doing research at Alma just by assisting one of the professors in an ongoing study she was already participating in, and then I got to design my own research project for my senior thesis. I'm currently studying the body composition and anaerobic fitness of Division III collegiate shoot and stunt athletes, and that has been a super fun project that I've been doing throughout my entire senior year, starting in the end of August. I have done 3 DEXA scans, which are body composition scans that look at bone density and lean mass, and then I also have gotten to look at anaerobic fitness through Wingate testing, and I have one more testing session left and I'm presenting at Honors Day. It's definitely a large time commitment being a student athlete and being a part of the IPHS major, but I have felt supported every step of the way. I was able to win 3 national championships in cheerleading while also getting into all 5 physical therapy schools that I applied to, and that was only possible because I had such a good support system through the IPHS faculty, and I also felt like I got a really good quality education while being able to pursue my dreams in athletics.